Xiaomi's Mi A2 was one of the best mid-range smartphones at its time. Despite great camera performance, Mi A2 made some big trade-offs, removing 3.5mm headphone jack and no microSD slot, all crucial elements for budget and mid-range phones in India. With Mi A3, Xiaomi is trying to fix these gaps. The latest model comes with a trendier glass design, there's an AMOLED panel on the front, and more importantly, 3.5mm headphone jack is back. Xiaomi has kept the pricing also very competitive with Mi A3. The base model with 4GB RAM and 64GB built-in storage is priced at 12,999 Indian rupees. Xiaomi Mi A3 is also available with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, which can be purchased at 15,999 Indian rupees. Overall, Mi A3 looks really good and seems quite promising too. My experience has been likewise, but there were some tiny but important issues that stood out. Here's a detailed review of Mi A3 to shed more light on this. Design and display. Xiaomi Mi A3 is one of the best looking phones available right now. The phone is wrapped in a glass body in 3 color options of blue, white and dark grey. My personal favorite is the more than white Mi A3, which is similar to Samsung's Galaxy S10, but in a good way, of course. Mi A3 also houses the new Xiaomi branding, which is refreshing and good to look at. The 6-inch display on Mi A3 is an almost bezel-less one, but with a dewdrop style notch on top. Here, the drawback is the HD+ resolution, but its saving grace is the AMOLED panel. The experience isn't so bad, and many people won't notice the difference. Content-hungry people will enjoy watching videos on their phone. Performance. Xiaomi Mi A3 runs on Qualcomm's mid-range Snapdragon 665 processor. The phone is fast for regular stuff and multitasking as well. It doesn't heat up either during prolonged use. The speakers are attached at the bottom of the phone. While the audio quality is pretty good, it can be a nuisance when your fingers cover the speaker grill. Battery life of the Mi A3 is highly commendable. The 4030 mAh battery will last the Mi A3 well over a day, including 8 to 9 hours of standby. The phone comes with a 10-watt charger in the box. Now, charging isn't great on the Mi A3 as it takes almost 2 hours to fully charge. Games like PUBG Mobile not only run smooth, but also look great on the Mi A3. Even with graphics set to medium, PUBG Mobile looks quite immersive. Courtesy of its Android One platform, Mi A3 offers near stock Android Pie. It does come pre-loaded with Xiaomi apps like Mi Community and Mi Store, but you can always delete them off your phone. Mi A3 also receives regular software updates. Mi A3 also comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, which is quite fast. Camera. With the Mi A3 you get the camera goodness of Redmi Note 7 Pro. Xiaomi Mi A3 has a triple camera setup with a 48-megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Photos taken in daylight turned out pretty good as expected from the camera sensors. Colors are very natural, and photos look sharp as well. Low-light photography wasn't pleasant, though with the Mi A3. Night mode does give that additional brightness, but details are missed, and the photos turn out blurry. The conclusion. Based on my experience, Xiaomi Mi A3 is a very well-packaged phone. It comes with all the necessary features a user would need from a phone in this category. Yes, the display standard could have been better, but the AMOLED screen does make up for a lot of it. For Rs 12,999, the Mi A3 is a definite buy. If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and also click the bell icon to get updates about our latest uploaded videos.